Hi friends, my name is Yusin and I'm a Kidovator here at Kidovation. Today I'll be introducing you to Crazy 8s. This activity is a fast-paced sketching exercise that takes 8 minutes and that will challenge you to sketch 8 unique ideas in just 8 minutes. Yeah, you heard that right. You have a maximum of 1 minute per idea and now you know where the crazy in Crazy 8s comes from. This activity is a fun and unique way to generate lots of new ideas without limiting your creativity, and will also give you a sense of what products and services people like. So, what do you need for this activity? All you need is a blank sheet of paper, some pens or markers, and something to keep time with. So in my case, I'm going to use this clock, but you can pretty much use whatever you have, or even a phone. To get started with the activity, take your sheet of paper and fold it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. When you unfold the paper, you should have 8 sections divided by the folds. Get your timer ready and set it for 8 minutes. And then grab your pen and marker, have your piece of paper, and you're pretty much good to go. Using the sections created in the previous step, start sketching out 1 idea per rectangle. Your idea should be a new and amazing product or service that you think the world would love. Don't overthink it. The purpose of having a timer is just to make you think on your feet and as quickly as possible. But there are honestly no wrong answers, so just start sketching whatever comes to your mind. Bear in mind though that once the timer goes off after 8 minutes, you have to stop. So just try to fill out all of the boxes on the piece of paper before then. It's also important to remember that your sketching doesn't have to be a work of art. It just simply needs to tell the story behind the idea and what the idea is. So go crazy and dream up the most fantastical ideas, because even sometimes things that might seem impractical in the first place can actually spark something new and exciting. Now you have up to 8 new ideas, it's time to decide on your favourites. If you have done this as a group, everyone should stick their sheet on paper on the wall to display their ideas. If you have done this on your own, ask a parent or sibling to join you for the next part, voting on the best ideas. Once all the ideas have been presented, everyone should take a marker and draw a big dot on their favourites. Everyone has 3 votes each, so you can spread them out among the ideas you like the best. It is okay to vote for your own sketch, or to put all 3 dots on one idea if you think that is truly the best idea. Once everyone has voted, take a look at all of the ideas. So which ideas were more popular than others? And are there any ideas that didn't get any votes at all? Feel free to ask people why they chose to vote for a certain idea, as this helps you get a sense of the things that people are interested in and also helps you to improve your idea next time. If you like, you can also take one of your ideas forward, and we have a video on that on prototyping, so check it out in the description box below. Crazy 8s really is a fun and unique way to generate as many ideas as possible within a short period of time. It also gives you an insight into the types of products and services people will like by encouraging you to talk to them based on what ideas they chose to vote for. We hope you enjoyed this activity today. If you're interested in design thinking or learning more, then please subscribe to our channel, or please also go on our website kidovation.org. You can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter or Facebook. Thank you and have a nice day. Keep on innovating. Bye!